Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Cindy Lou Who from Dr. Seuss on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, and yes, I did use some VIP items. For the hair, I used this hair in blonde, and then this hair in blonde too, in only bangs. Then for this one, the same. And no bangs though for this one. Then select this hair, and then select no bangs. Position the Y at 0.55, Z at 0.58, and rotate the X to 0.06. Scale it to 0.36. Get the bow, color it this red, 770D0F. Position the Y at 0.57, Z 0.6, and then scale it to 0.40. And for the outfit, I am going to put this on. It's like the cape, and only cape in that same red in like a light silk. And then I use this dress, but you can use any dress you want, but just make sure you use this pattern. Then I'm going to get these leggings here in type 3, and I'm going to make it red in glitter. Then I'm also going to get this, nope, wrong one, this right here, and I'm going to color that red in light silk, and then red again. Hello, oh, wait. I think I'm just going to color that one white, and then this part white and matte. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that instead. And then for the shoes, I'm going to grab this and add socks and color the socks white. And I think that is it. Oh, I forgot the gloves. Sorry. I used these gloves in the glove section in the white color, and then red for the bows. Sorry. I think that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!